How to enable YouTube Kids parental control. First, you want to open the YouTube Kids application on your child's device and tap on Get Started. After that, you want to simply tap on this Show Video Off, tap on this arrow over here. And here you want to simply select the account that you want to log in with, tick on this box, and here you want to simply tap on this arrow again. After that, your new profile will be created. You want to simply tap on this settings option over here. You want to solve this problem real quick. Tap on next, and here you'll be able to see all of your settings over here. And here you'll be able to see options like set timer, and if you want to log out as well, you want to simply tap on use YouTube Kids signed out. However, if you want to learn more about this parental control, you want to simply scroll down all the way, tap on parental guide over here, and you can simply read and follow all these prompts over here to be able to use the YouTube Kids parental control feature pretty well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.